how to clear all conversations on Skype. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can clear all conversations on Skype. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. Now open your Skype application on your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. And you can see this kind of page, and right now I'm on chat section on my Skype. So choose any contact with whom you'd like to delete all or clear all conversations. So I'm going for this one. And if you want to delete messages one by one, what you can do is simply tap and hold on the message that you want to delete and tap on the option that says remove, and again tap on remove, and you will be able to remove messages one by one on Skype. But if you want to delete all messages at once, what you can do is go back to chat section and tap and hold on the person's name, and you can see this kind of options, and tap on delete conversation, and again tap on delete. And in this way you will be able to delete all conversations at once. So I hope it was very easy. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.